Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! In the previous analysis we had the price at this position, and we have talked about the price needs to break out from this range area that was currently in, and there was a false breakout in the previous week, which was indicated like this. First a breakout to the upside and then the false and then the bearish candle going down back inside the range area. On Monday the price has moved outside again of the range area, and it was mentioned in the last week analysis that if the price breaks out from this range area, we need to wait until the candle formation confirms this breakout, and that is the candle that will return down and close the day above the range area, which will be a small indication that the price has to break out from this range. But the price returned back inside the range area with this strong bearish candle, which was indication that this is also a false breakout for this range, and also that there is a strong bearish pressure above. So this strong candle, which is almost a bearish engulfing candle, it was a great signal that the price will have a hard time to reach higher levels. On the next day we have a strong bearish candle that took the price outside from this range area, and it was a clear signal that the price will move down. The candle that has closed the day at this level was a clear indication that there is nothing that will help the price moving down. What has happened, this is the price reached the bounced back up, reaching this supply zone, and this supply zone also took the price more down. The candle has closed the day as a bullish candle, but on the next day the price returned back down on Friday and closed the day below these two candles, which confirmed that the bears have much more strength than the bulls. The supply zone, the demand zone around this support 1.03920 is also a strong demand zone that is holding the price above. We can see that the price could not close the day below previous low candles and also below the first attempt to break below here this support level. So the price is currently not clear that it will move easily down, so we can expect the price to stay a little bit here in this area until finds the way down. Maybe the price will found a strong bearish pressure on Monday or Tuesday and reaching lower levels. So what we can expect in the future from this market overview? If we check this daily time frame, we can see that the price have hard time to break this demand zone, which the bulls are holding for the third time. So this is the third attempt to break below. We can expect a little bit more time to break below, but it can happen that the bear's pressure will push the price down and close the day below these two levels. If we see the candle closing this one level and the second one, this is the first one and then this is the second one, we will have clear indication that the price will move to 1.02975. If we check weekly time frame, second, we can see a clear signal, and this is a bearish engulfing candle that has closed previous 2 weeks, and it was almost closed below these levels. So it's not complete clear indication that on a weekly time frame we will see the price heading down, but we need to wait until the price closes below this support level. But this is also a great signal that bears have took over the market, and we can expect the price move down. It is just a question, will it be very quickly or it will be a little bit slowly. If we check the monthly time frame, we can see that the month has closed below previous lows, and also this month has started to move down. So we have a weekly and monthly time frame, a clear indication that the price is currently in the bearish sentiment, and we will see the price heading down further to the next support level. And to check which is the next support level, this is 1.02975 and the next one is 1.01368. Now let's see what has happened in the past when the price was reaching these levels and where it was heading to the next support level. So currently the price, just a minute, the price is currently here, and this is monthly time frame. On the next month, what the price has done has reached 1.02975 and then bounced between these two levels, reaching 1.05087 and close to 1.05825. If we take into account that 1.05087 is a low resistance level and 1.05825 is much stronger resistance level, we can expect this month the price to reach again this level. And what has happened next time when the price broke below this level is 1.01368 as a strong support, which has pushed the price strongly up, reaching 1.06736. If we check more in the past, we'll see what has happened on the monthly time frame. When the price has reached this level, this is the one, the price reached 1.02975 and close to 1.01368. If we check the weekly time frame, we will see what has happened in the past. Just a minute, let's find this one. Yep, here it is. This is the weekly time frame, and we are currently at this level. So when the weekly time frame, the price reached this level, the next level the price has reached is 1.02975, and from there the price is bouncing back up, reaching 1.05087, close to 1.05825. So we can expect the same if the price reaches this support level to bounce back up, reaching this level. And then when the price has reached this level, it's bouncing back down on the weekly time frame, and when the price is closed below this 1.02975, the price reached the next support level, which is also 1.01368, and the price bouncing back up again to 1.05087. So we can expect this support level 1.02975 as a middle strong support level, and as a final, the most strong support is 1.01368. So if we check the weekly and the monthly and the daily time frame, just a minute so I can get back here. Here it is. So we have this 1.02975, the next support level for the price if the price breaks below these two levels. I'm expecting the price will move down in the future weeks and months, reaching 1.01368, and from here count that the price will bounce back up and entering here into buy opportunity. For the moment, I am expecting the price to break below and then enter into sell trade, waiting to reach 1.02975, and as a final one, this one below. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!